Hi friends, I am Sunil working as BSNL JE. Welcome to BSNL JE 2016 exam preparation. In this video, I am going to discuss last topic of digital techniques. This is the last class for digital techniques, that is A to D and D to A converters. This is the last class. Okay. Coming to the DAC. DAC means digital to analog converter. Digital to analog converter. That is D to A converters. Digital to analog converters. That means the digital information is converted to analog information. By using this DAC, digital information is converted into analog information. So the digital to analog means they are considered as decoding devices. Coding means converted into digital. Decoding means from digital to any other. That means decoding devices, digital to analog. Coming to full scale output for n-bit DAC. For n-bit DAC, digital to analog converter, equal to full scale output equal to 2 power n minus 1 into step size. 2 power n minus 1 into step size. Very important bit. Full scale output for n-bit DAC equal to 2 power n minus 1 into step size. And resolution is nothing but step size. Step size. Percentage resolution equal to step size by full scale output into 100. Resolution equal to step size by full scale output into 100. That equal to 1 by 2 power n minus 1 into 100. 1 by 2 power n minus 1 into 100. And n is the size of the digital to analog converter. There are mainly two types of digital to analog converters. First one is weighted resistor digital to analog converter, and second one is R to 2R ladder D to A converters. First one, weighted resistor D to A, digital to analog. Weighted resistor means it uses a wide range of resistors. In the form of the most significant bit. MSB is 2 power 0 R, and then 2 power 1 into R, 2 square into R, and then and so on 2 power n minus 1 into R. This is the LSB. Okay. And the minimum number of resistors required in n-bit D to A converter. That means minimum number of resistors in weighted resistor D to A converter is nothing but n. For example, the number of resistors required in 4-bit D to A are 4 resistors. For 4-bit 4 resistors, 5-bit 5 resistors. Minimum resistors are n. For n-bit the minimum resistors are n. And one example bit is very important bit. In a 4-bit weighted resistor D to A converter, resistor value at most significant bit is 2 kilo ohms. This is most significant bit. Here the resistance value is 2 kilo ohms. The value of resistors at LSB, here he has given 4-bit. 4-bit means 2 power 0 R, 2 power 1 R, 2 square R, and 2 cubed R, 2 power 0 R, 2 power 1 R, 2 power 2 square R, 2 cubed R. This is the LSB. The value of resistors at LSB is 2 cubed into R. Here he has given the resistance value 2 power 0 R equal to 2 kilo ohms. That means R equal to 2 kilo ohms. So substitute here 2 power 3 into 2 kilo ohms, 2, that equal to 8 into 2, that is 16 kilo ohms. So the resistance at LSB is 16 kilo ohms. Okay. And second digital to analog converter is nothing but R to 2R ladder. R to 2R means it uses two resistors only. One resistor is R, and other resistor is 2R. Okay, if first resistor R is 8 kilo ohms, the 2R resistor is nothing but 16 kilo ohms. Okay, and it has better linearity, it gives you better linearity than weighted resistors. Okay, here for this if input bit A2, A1, A0, that means it is MSB, it is LSB. For this input bits, the contribution of output is likewise VR by 2, VR by 4, VR by 8. That means for n bit R to R ladder, the resolution is nothing but VR by 2 power n, VR by 2 power n. That is for n bit R2 to R ladder, DAC resolution equal to VR by 2 power n, VR by 2 power n. Okay, that means for example, determine the resolution and full scale output of a 3 bit R2 to R ladder DAC. For resolution, what is the DAC resolution? R2 to R ladder DAC resolution VR by 2 power n, VR by 2 power, that is VR by 2 power n. VR by 2 power n means in 3 bit. 3 bit means n is 3. For 3 bit, n is 3. Okay, for n is 3, substitute n is 3, VR by 2 cubed, that equal VR by 8. We know that resolution is also called as a step size. Resolution equal to VR by 8. And has we have to find out full scale output. We know that full scale output equal to 2 power n minus 1 into step size. That is, step size is nothing but resolution. 2 power 3 minus 1 into VR by 8. That is 2 power 8. 2 power 3 means 8. 8 minus 1, 7. 7 into VR by 8. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, and next one, A to D converters. That means analog to digital. Analog to digital. These converters converts analog information to digital information, and this means these are considered as encoding devices because they converted to digital information, converted to digital, so they are called as encoding devices. And one of the important point here is most of these A to D converters uses feedback conversion process, that is feedback conversion process means a to D converter consists of a DAC and comparator and also digital logic circuitry. It consists of A to D converter consists of a D to A converter plus comparator plus digital logic circuitry. Okay, and types of DAC. Coming to the types of DAC, first type of DAC is counter type. Types of ADC, analog to digital converters. First one is counter type ADC or RAM type ADC. Counter type ADC or RAM type ADC. Counter type ADCs or RAM type ADC, it is a simplest type of ADC. It is a basic type, simplest type of ADC. Provides good method for digitizing to a high resolution. And the value of the counter equal to input voltage by step size. Value of the counter equal to input voltage by step size. And in this counter type, the maximum conversion type, very important, the conversion types of ADC. Maximum conversion time for counter type is 2 power n minus 1 into t. 2 power n minus 1 into t. N is the n bit. Okay, and t is a 1 by clock frequency. For example, 3 bit counter type ADC, the conversion time is 2 power 3 minus 1. Okay, minus 1 seconds. And the main drawback of this counter type is it has slow speed conversion. It converts analog to digital information with very slow speed. So the slow speed type of ADC is nothing but counter type or RAM type ADC. And next one, successive approximation ADC. It follows binary search algorithm. Very important. Successive approximation ADC follows binary search algorithm. And conversion time does not depend on input magnitude. Conversion time does not depend on input magnitude. Here the value of counter is nothing but input voltage by step size, so it depends on input voltage value. But here the successive approximation ADC does not depend upon input magnitude, and maximum conversion time is n into t seconds. N into t seconds. Okay, that means some high speed than the counter type. And next one, flash type, very very important. Flash type ADC or parallel ADC or simultaneous ADC. Conversion, here for this conversion time does not depend upon input magnitude, does not depend upon input magnitude, and maximum conversion time is very very less. Maximum conversion time of this flash type ADC is very very less, so it is a fastest ADC among all the ADCs. Okay, it is a fastest means nothing but flash type, very very important bit. Okay, fastest ADC, very very important bit. Fastest type ADC is nothing but flash type. Dual slope or integrating type ADC, dual slope or integrating type ADC. For this, maximum conversion time equal to 2 power n minus 1 into t seconds, 2 power n minus 1 into t seconds. Okay, and counter counting time for T2, counter counting time for T2 equal to V input by VR into T1, very very important formula. Counter counting time T2 equal to V in by VR into T1. Okay, most accurate type ADC, it is a most accurate type ADC, very very important. Most accurate type ADC is nothing but dual slope or integrating type. So that's why these ADCs used in digital voltmeters. Digital voltmeters. The ADC which is used for digital voltmeter is nothing but dual slope or integrating type ADC. Very very important. And conversion times depends upon input magnitude, because the counting time T2 equal to V input by VR into T1. That means it depends upon input voltage, input magnitude. And finally, most accurate ADC is dual slope or ramp type, dual slope or integrating type, sorry, dual slope or integrating type. High speed is nothing but flash type, and average accurate and average speed, successive approximation. And the slow speed is nothing but counter type. Counter type is slow speed. Counter type is slow speed. Coming to resolution of ADC. Coming to the resolution of ADC, it is input voltage range by 2 power n minus 1. The resolution of ADC, very very important. The resolution of ADC equal to input voltage range by 2 power n minus 1. For example, a problem, determine the resolution of 8-bit ADC. Resolution of 8-bit ADC whose input voltage range is minus 5 volts to plus 5 volts. That is, we know that resolution of ADC equal to input voltage range by 2 power n minus 1. Input voltage range means minus 5 volts to plus 5 volts. That means 5 minus of minus 5 by 2 power n. 2 power n bit means 8 bit. 8 minus 1, that equal to 10 by 255. This is the resolution of ADC. Okay friends, thank you. All the topics belongs to digital techniques are completed. Okay, thank you.